Hello, teacher and friends. My name is Elkis Florian. Work the Great Wall of China. Observing the story and all it was built for my personal criterion of the 7 new wonders of the world in the machine for me because it is 1,000 times longer than any monument will never. It was called the largest cemetery in the world. Our American president is stored on the shores of the Great Yellow Sea and rushing the heart of North China. As large 45 castles and watchtowers, it extended towering great deserts and high mountains. It is the best feat of industrial engineering reaching a total of more than 6,400 kilometers for its bearing to its end. Hi Mom, I am in an wonderful place. I am counting the story and beauty of engineering in the construction of the Great Wall of China. I like the incredible of the creation and what it is in the middle of mountains and deserts. Its architecture and when its golden was shine. I find happy the Gonlo another part of the wonderful world I am admiring. The sculpture is amazing and fantastic. I love you, Mom. Bye.